friends, my name is Miyami. I have a question. What is IT8? How we use it in a sentence? Do you know? Idea. I'll ask my teacher for help. Hello. How can I help you, my child? Teacher, what is use of it? Use of it. It's simple. We use it for animal, place, and things. Let's see with some examples. We will talk about place first. It is a house. It is a hospital. It is a park. Now we will talk about animal. It is a dog. It is a cow. It is a fish. Now, let's see the example of thing. Here, it is a table. It is a toy. It is a pencil. So, I hope now it's clear to you, my child. Yes, teacher, now I know how to use it. We use it for place, animal, and thing. Thank you, teacher. I hope you have happy learning.